Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Colab session. Open a new notebook and switch to a Python runtime. Install OpenJDK using apt-get so the JVM is available. This is faster than manual downloads and matches Debian packages. Once installed, export Java home and prepend its bin to path so subsequent shell and cell commands find Java and javac. Make sure to run these commands in a code cell. They persist only for this session, so repeat when the VM restarts. Next, you create and execute Java code inside Colab. Write your Java source either with a cell using %bash cat myapp, Java, or generate files via Python file i/o. This gives you full control over content. Compile the source with javac myapp, Java, then run it using Java myapp in the same working directory. You can run these with leading or %bash. Alternatively, use Python's subprocess to capture output. This separation keeps compile and runtime steps explicit and debuggable. Finally, integrate libraries and handle runtime needs. Place additional jars in the working dir and set class path, or run a lightweight build tool like maven/gradle in a cell to manage dependencies. For interactive input or large datasets, redirect stdin from files or write outputs to disk before downloading. If something fails, check that Java home points to the installed JDK, path includes its bin, file permissions allow execution, and rerun javac to
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.